Soak a piece of bread in vinegar, you will be amazed by the results. Before we start with this video, I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you know what are calluses? Here's what you need to know. Calluses are hard, rough areas of skin that are often yellowish in color. They can develop on the feet, usually around the heel area, or on the skin under the ball of the foot, palms of the hands, knuckles, etc. You should also know that calluses are larger than corns and don't have such a well-defined edge. As callus skin is thick, it's often less sensitive to touch than the surrounding skin. Calluses develop when the skin rubs against something such as a bone, a shoe, or the ground. They often form over the ball of your foot because this area takes most of your weight when you walk. Activities that put repeated pressure on the foot, such as running or walking barefoot, can cause calluses to form. Athletes are particularly susceptible to them. Note other possible causes of calluses: dry skin, reduced fatty padding, regularly holding objects such as a hammer or racket, etc. As we mentioned before, calluses usually appear on our feet because when we walk, the foot is the part which is mostly exposed to pressure. Athletes, dancers, chefs, and musicians have higher risk of experiencing calluses. But you shouldn't be worried, because in this article we're going to show you the most effective home remedies, which will help you get rid of calluses in just few days. These tricks are very simple. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. 1 lemon. Here's what you need to do. First, you should take a peel of an organic lemon and put it on your callus. Cover with a gauze and secure it with a bandage and leave it overnight. You can take it off in the next morning. 2 bread and vinegar. You should definitely try this simple but extremely effective method. It's very simple. You just have to soak a piece of bread in white vinegar and put it on the callus. Cover with a gauze and secure it with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and remove it in the morning. And trust me, you will be amazed by the results. 3 castor oil. It's very simple. You just have to apply some castor oil on your calluses before you go to sleep. In the morning you will be surprised by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.